Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it with the USB cable or wall adapter. Once done, turn your Hisense TV on and select that HDMI input. Make sure your phone or laptop connects to the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. This is essential for discovery. You'll see a setup screen on TV. Keep your device nearby to follow prompts. If the TV prompts to allow network access, approve it so the Chromecast can finish connecting. Open the Google Home app on your phone and sign in with your Google account. Then tap Add, Set up Device, and follow to find the new Chromecast. You'll be asked to confirm a code shown on the TV, verify it. Next, choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the Chromecast can join. Name the device logically so you can pick it later. Allow any firmware updates to install. They improve stability. Once setup completes, the Chromecast is registered and ready to receive casts from your apps. To cast, open a cast-enabled app like YouTube and tap the cast icon, then pick your Chromecast connected to the Hisense TV. You control playback from your device, play, pause, seek, and adjust volume, or use the TV remote if supported. When finished, tap Disconnect in the app or stop casting. If casting fails, try rebooting the Chromecast by unplugging it and restart your router. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. Updating the Google Home app and TV firmware often fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.